Hello everyone! Start off by taking a white rectangular long sheet of paper and then fold it over into multiple strips. Now, on each of these strips, draw a different kind of building. Try to make each of these buildings as decorated, as creative, and as animated as possible. You may even add cute little expressions and smiley faces or even emoticons all around it. Once you have added all of the houses, you may also color it in any colors that you like and make it as decorative as possible. These are what we have chosen to do. Now, cut them out, cut out the parts which have the windows as well, add some tape on one of the sides and then use clay to decorate it further on. Make it stand on a piece of paper. Next, start off by taking any sort of circular object such as an empty roll of tape and then make this star shape onto it. After tracing this on, add the top cap, cut it out accordingly into its facing and then add some plastic sheet on one of the ends and then cut off the excess. Add clay on one of the ends and then add multiple dots all over it to make it look like a vine. You may also add a duck to it. You may make your own designs. We have chosen to do things like cherry blossoms and birds and other such things. Color it in as you please, including the bottle, and then add some thread to the top and hang it. Next, start off by taking the handle of a bag. Fold these handles over or tie 3 of them up together and then make it into a braid-like shape. Stick it up in a circle as such. Then, take a green piece of clay, roll it on a flat surface and then wrap it around your handles that you have created. Add leaves all over as well. Take a plastic sheet and then take multiple balls of clay, make flower shapes out of it by sticking it together. Stick all of these around your folded circular handle. Then you can also make a bird, make a small little ledge for it as well. Next, we will be making this tree. For this, start off by taking some plastic sheet that is circular in nature, take an empty tissue roll and then cut out these V shapes onto it. On the pointed edges, make 2 slits in it and then paint them in brown. Take a pink strip of clay and then make multiple balls of clay out of it. Make small markings on it and in the center, add yellow center. Add multiple flowers all around it as such. To the bottom of it, add some grass and then add a cute little ladybird as well. Next, we'll be learning how to make this broom. Start off by taking a circular sheet of paper that is very small and then cut it up into half. That will make it a semicircle. Using some orange paper, make a cylindrical shape out of it and then cut it and stick it to the semicircle. On one of the ends, take a small piece of paper, add multiple slits to it and then decorate the top of it. Now we'll be learning how to make these bags with a little handle at the top. Take a circular sheet of paper, we have chosen 2 different shades of pink, and then make a curved edge out of one of them. Insert one into the other as such, and then use clay to decorate the top. Once again, we have chosen to make hearts. At the bottom, using a marker, draw on the stem and the other leaves. Stick on a handle using some pink paper. Next, in order to make this little land, take a small plastic bowl and to the base of it, stick some brown clay. Now, on top of that, stick some green clay. You may also mix it in with yellow to make it look all the more realistic. Into this, stick on a branch and to the branches, stick multiple balls of different colored clay. You may also add flowers and a cute little board at the bottom. Now, start off by taking an empty fruit cup or an empty jelly cup. Now, to the base of it, add some pebbles and then on top of this, add some brown clay to fill it up. Make multiple dots all over this and then stick in some branches onto it. Take multiple balls of pink clay and then arrange it in a circle shape. Take a small object that is sharp and then make small lines in it and then add a yellow center to each of them. Stick them all to each of the branches as you can see. In order to make this, thank you for watching.